Welcome to Hot and Healthy with the Bikini Chef and Dr. Lori. And I'm the Bikini Chef.
And I'm Dr. Lori.
And we are here to help you get fit and achieve the weight loss that you want.
Yeah.
So today we're going to be talking about sugar. And Dr. Lori, I love sugar, and so many of our friends love sugar.
We're going to talk about today how sugar impacts our weight loss dramatically, okay? So, when you eat sugar, your blood sugar rises super fast and drops very fast. So, much like this ball, dropping to the ground. Up, down, that's your blood sugar, and that is inflammation.
Inflammation.
It
sounds very technical.
It isn't. Essentially, it's about the ball up and down, which is your blood sugar.
Okay, great. Can we go into the kitchen?
We sure can.
All right. So we're talking about sugar, and you were telling me that the average person consumes how much sugar a year?
156 pounds.
156 pounds of sugar?
Yes.
So now we're going to share with you some recipes that you can incorporate into your daily life that helps you reduce sugar, but they're still delicious. This is one of my loves, and a lot of you love pasta, and it's very popular.
Yes.
Kids love pasta. Now, I always say this turns to sugar, but what's the real term?
Well, the real sugar is the blood sugar that's happening. It's being spiked.
Okay.
So it's not turning to sugar, but it's spiking the blood sugar.
Spiking my sugar,
Yeah.
because I always find like it's hard to metabolize, break down pasta, and I do find that if I'm consuming pasta on a regular basis, that my weight goes up.
Yes, because you're creating that inflammation I talked about earlier.
Inflammation. Ooh, yeah.
It's
We don't
part
like
of
that.
that sugar spike and then that drop.
Okay, and now this is a baking potato.
Yes.
So obviously, this will do the same as well.
Same thing.
I'm a bikini chef. I love to cook healthy recipes. So we have quinoa that we're cooking today. Now what I do to add flavor into quinoa has a very nutty flavor. People can often think it's boring or it doesn't taste good, but it tastes wonderfully, especially if you infuse some flavors into it. So, Lori, I'm going to ask you to put some cayenne pepper in there.
You're going to make me cook?
I am. You're going to cook.
Did you hear that?
Yeah. So, cayenne pepper.
Okay.
And cayenne pepper actually goes right along with the title of what we do, which is Hot and Healthy. Because hot and healthy isn't just about looking great and feeling great. It's about spicing up. So it's about burning fat.
Spice it up.
Spice it up.
Yes.
Burning fat, burning calories.
Yes.
Now the sweetness in this dish is going to come. Go ahead and put those in. These are red bell peppers. They're naturally very sweet. Now, is this sugar that's good for me?
Sugar that's good for you.
Okay,
Yes.
here you stir.
Okay.
I'm going to put in the yellow bell peppers. A great way to get the natural sugar out of fruits is to grill them. Some fruits you say are better for you than others.
That's right.
All right, so
Yes.
are nectarines good for me?
Nectarines are very good for you.
Why?
Because they're not as high in sugar as some other fruits.
Okay, well, this is a great way to get your sugar, satisfy your sweet tooth, but in a natural, more healthy way. So we have sweet peppers, and now we have the sweetness of the nectarines. So we're just grilling our nectarines, and then when we go to serve them, we'll just put a dollop of the citrus sour cream and just a tiny little drizzle of honey. Earlier we talked about a delicious molten chocolate cake. Dr. Lori, that was so much fun.
It was.
I
Wasn't it
know.
fun?
Thank
I
you
really
for
enjoyed
helping me
it.
in the
Thank
kitchen
you.
and for helping clear up some ideas on nutrition.
Absolutely.
So now we have our healthy quinoa
Yes.
and our dark chocolate and our nectarine. Do I have your permission to put a little bit of sugar?
Yes, you do. As a matter of fact, that's a good point. If everything you do, you're conscious of and you make an effort to do it, that is the best thing you can do.
We really can drop the weight and still
Yes.
enjoy sugar.
That's right.
All right, well, thank you
Yes.
for joining us on Hot and Healthy.
Thank you.
I'm Susan Irby, the Bikini Chef.
And I'm Dr. Lori.
Dr.
See you next
Lori.
time.
See you next time, because we're going to be talking about fat burn.
Yes.
Yes.
Fire it up.